Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, we have the Barbie Unicorn Play phone set with lights and sounds. So you guys, this play set comes with 5 pieces. It includes one cell phone case, 2 pretend Barbie credit cards, and a detachable strap. The cell phone features lights and sounds. The phone case comes with a credit card pocket. You press the button to activate the bright lights, realistic phone sounds, and fun Barbie phrases. And your child can carry it on his or her wristlet, like a little handbag. Let me demonstrate for y'all. So here's the phone case, and the little pocket is right there. So you take your first Barbie credit card, stick it right there. You take the second credit card and you stick it right there. Because you know the kids wants to be like their parents and their grandparents. And with the cell phone, it has phrases. What are you doing with your friends today? It rings. Let's talk again soon. Takes pictures for play. Hi, it's Barbie. Text message. Until next time. Take the cell phone, stick it in the case like so, and it comes with this cute rainbow strap, and your grandbaby is good to go. Isn't that too cute? That's what I wanted to come on and share with you guys. Let me show you the pictures close up. This is how it comes packaged. These are all the accessories. You put the credit cards in the storage pocket, and your grandbaby is on her way. Okay, y'all. So if you're new to this channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much. Just know your girl over here appreciates it. And see you guys in my next Dolly and Toy review. Bye for now.